We've all heard it before. Being startled can stop hiccups. But is it true? Hiccups are a reflex which can happen without our will. We all know that. And this reflex is initiated by the hiccup center in your brain. And it then travels through several pathways through multiple muscles. Muscles of your neck, your ribs and your diaphragm. In order to get rid of it, you need to break this loop. This can be done by consciously activating the nerves involved or the muscles involved. Some tips are blow on the back of your hand, press your eyeballs or hold your breath, and lastly, being startled. These won't all work for everybody, but some of them do. Just try a few of them out and before you know it, you will get rid of your annoying hiccups. Rid of your annoying hiccups, of course. If you did like this video, click the like and subscribe button and I will see you next week with a new medical myth busting.